Meaning of deposition.
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 Deposition. Deposition refers to the process of depositing or laying down material or sediment onto a surface through natural or artificial means. This can occur through various mechanisms such as erosion, volcanic activity, and chemical precipitation. The end result of deposition is the accumulation of material, which may form into layers over time and contribute to the formation of geological features such as mountains, beaches, and deltas. These deposits can provide valuable insights into the history of the Earth and its environmental conditions. In industry, deposition processes are used in a variety of applications, including the coating of surfaces and the production of semiconductor devices.